Welcome to our TTDI condo series where we introduce to you all the different condos in the area. In this series, we'll explain to you all the different condos and why these condos are still in great demand and favored by many. Today, we're gonna go to Pinggiran Kiara, the lowest density condo in the whole Taman with only 67 units in the entire development. Let's go. This is a 1,188 square feet condo with 2+1 bedrooms. It is a cozy condominium located at the highest point of Taman Dr. Ismail. The balcony has an amazing view of TTDI with an added bonus of a pool view. Because it is on a high point with the back of the development facing the beautiful Kiara Park, you'll find that it's extra breezy and extra cooling here, with little or not much need for air conditioning. The Pinggiran Kiara development is enveloped by the Bukit Kiara Forest Reserve. This gives you a lot of peace and serenity every time you return home. With matured trees lining the access road and gorgeous views of TTDI from the unit, you will find that this development offers exclusive serenity. What I love about this Pinggiran Kiara unit is the main entrance and what the owner has done to this unit to make this place a cozy home. The owners renovated the unit some time ago, but you will find that the finishings are of great quality. There are wood paneling and solid wood finishing used throughout the house, so you will find yourself seemingly in the Balinese resort. The kitchen is sizable with all the kitchen cabinets still in excellent condition, and it even comes with a built-in pantry to store all your dry goods. The 2 bedrooms can fit king-size beds comfortably. The bathrooms have all been refitted, so you will find that you don't need to do much to the unit before moving in. The living area flows naturally into the dining area and overlooks TTDI. New development condos in TTDI are extremely rare and limited. The latest development, Jandela, sits on a leasehold land just outside of the area and is transacting at an average of 1,300 per square foot. Although the condos in TTDI are old, the quality, finishing and location are still its winning factors. Villa Flora transacts at an average price of 600 per square foot. Kiara Park transacts at an average of 580 per square foot. Kiara View transacts at an average of 730 per square foot. The Greens, TTDI's newest development, transacts at an average of 1,300 per square foot. This cozy Pinggiran Kiara unit is going for 830,000 or 699 per square foot. I reckon you'll find this a steal given the quality finishings, great views, great community in one of Klang Valley's best addresses. All for under $1 million. If you like a private tour, give me a call. If you like what you're watching, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'm Yin from Yin Homes and I hope to see you soon.